So welcome back friends. Today I will be discussing a very interesting topic, something new that the newbies has not yet familiar with. Now, how many of you have gone to the Himalayas for trekking? So I have seen that the stock market has similarity with the Himalayas, because Himalayas is also very big, it is a vast thing, and you cannot do a trekking, you cannot complete a trekking unless and until you are having an idea of the slope of the mountains. So if you do not know what is the slope, suppose the slope is on the upside and you want to descend, that is not possible. And if the slope is on the downside and you want to climb, once again that is not possible. So you need to go to the correct slope. And similarly, stock market is all about trends. So you cannot fight with the trend, and you need to identify the correct trend of the stock market. So here in this video, I will discuss how you can spot the stock market trend using multi-time frame price action, and you can easily do it with your current trading terminal. So friends, I will take you to the topic how to spot the trend in the stock market using multi-time frame price action. But before that, if you are not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, this is the time to subscribe to this channel first. So friends, I am on a simple intraday chart of Nifty 50. This is the Nifty 50 index. You can see here Nifty 50 is written, and this is the intraday chart because here 5 minutes is written. So every candle is of 5 minutes. Now by seeing this chart, we can identify that from here to here the trend is up, because here the price was on the downward side, but slowly the price has moved up. So the trend is currently up. But if we see the larger picture, even in the larger picture we can see the trend is up, but we cannot forecast what will happen in the future. So for that I will show you how you can do a multi-time frame price analysis, how you can use an indicator to judge the trend. Suppose in this terminal I will add a super trend indicator to judge the trend. Now guys, I am currently using Zerodha Kite. If you do not have Zerodha Kite with you, I will give you the link to get Zerodha Kite in the video description. So from there you can get Zerodha Kite and you can use all my techniques on the Zerodha Kite. Now in the studies I will go to super trend. So let us find where is super trend. So here it is super trend. So I have attached a super trend. Now guys, you can see the trend is up. So here there was a buy signal, the buy signal has performed well. Then there was a sell signal, and you can see the sell signal has made a loss. Here there was a short sell price, and here there was the exit price. Once again there was a buy signal, the buy signal has not performed that well, but it has moved up. So one person who is trading with a target, he can book his profits. Then once again there was a sell signal. You can see once again the sell signal has not performed well and it has once again produced a loss. Here there was the shorting price, here there was the exit price. Then there was a buy signal. The buy signal is currently moving sideways, but it can produce profit in future. Now guys, by seeing this chart we can identify that in the 5 minutes time frame of Nifty, the buy signals has generated some profits, but all the short sell signal, 1 signal, 2 signal, 3 signals, so all the short sell signals has made losses. Now how to overcome these losses? So here we will add our technique, we will use multi-time frame price action. So guys, for multi-time frame price action we need to open more than one chart. So you can open more than one chart in all the versions of Kite. Zerodha Kite has 2 versions. So this is the chart IQ version, and you can go to the other version, that is trading view. from your profile. So I have gone to my profile section. You can see here by default the chart setting is chart IQ, but we can also go to trading view. First I will show you in the chart IQ chart. So now in the chart IQ I am opening a 5 minutes time frame chart. Then there was the display. I will click on the display, and in the display there are multiple charts. So you can open 2 charts at a time and you can open 4 charts at a time. So I will be opening a 2 chart first, and here in the multiple charts you can select all the symbols. So now I will be selecting only Nifty 50. So here Nifty 50 indices, the chart one, and second one is also Nifty 50 indices. Now the second chart you can select other symbols if you want to watch more than one symbol in the charts. So I am currently selecting only Nifty 50 and I am clicking on done. So the multiple charts are opening. You can see one chart is 1 day chart and other chart is 5 minutes time frame chart. And let me go to the hourly chart. So you can see the hourly time frame chart, the super trend signal is on the buy mode. So it is not a rocket science that why the 5 minutes time frame sell signals are failing, because you can see the primary trend, that is of the hourly signals, so that is on the upside. So all the secondary trends, so secondary trend means in the 5 minutes time frame chart you can see the secondary trend. So the secondary trends will always follow the primary trend. So the secondary trend, there the buy signals are making money and all the sell signals are actually making losses. So 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss and so on. Now here let us experiment a bit more. So let me change the 1 hour chart to 1 day chart. So I have changed the hourly chart to daily chart, and now I will change the 5 minutes time frame chart to hourly chart. And same thing is happening over here. You can see for a long time the daily time frame is having only the buy signal. So I feel it is from month of May we are having a buy signal on the chart, and now today is August. So till today the buy signal is prevailing. So you can see in the hourly chart too, all the sell signals are not making money. Here was one sale and it has made loss, but all the buy signals, you can see here there was a buy signal, it has made profit. Then there was a buy signal, it is making profits. Here there was a buy signal, it has also made some profit. Here there was a buy signal, it has made profit, and so on. So most of the buy signals has made money, but the sell signals are not making that much money. So price actually follows the main trend, the primary trend, and primary trend comes from the higher time frame. So hourly chart will tend to follow the daily time frame trend. The daily time frame trend will tend to follow the weekly time frame trend, and the 5 minutes time frame trend will tend to follow the hourly time frame trend. So this is how you can see the multiple time frame price action on the chart IQ charts. Now I will show you how you can see the same thing on the trading view. So let me close this one, and now I am once again going to my profile, and instead of chart IQ I will be changing it to trading view. So now I am opening the Nifty 50 chart. So here there was the daily chart of Nifty 50, and in trading view the multiple time frame analysis is very easy. So here there was a select layout option. I will just click here, and here you can see two charts like this. This is tiled vertically, this is tiled horizontally. You can see 3 charts tiled vertically and horizontally both. You can see 4 charts and so on. So I will be checking 4 charts, and I am clicking here, and before that I will make sure I will sync the symbol on all the charts. I'll sync the time on all the chart, but I'll not sync the interval, because I need everything same on the charts, but I'll not use the same interval on all the charts. So now I'll click on the 4 charts. You can see 4 charts has opened. Suppose the first time frame, let us make 1 week. So 1 week I have made. The second is 1 day, the third is, let us make it hourly, and the fourth, let us make it say 15 minutes. Let us make it 15 minutes. So the first is weekly chart, second is daily chart, the third is hourly chart, and the fourth one is 15 minutes chart. So you can see the same symbol, the same Nifty 50 symbol on 4 different time frame at once. So at once you can see from weekly to 15 minutes. Now let us add the indicators. Suppose I'll be adding super trend indicator over here. So let me write super trend. So super trend is added on the 15 minutes. Next one also let me add super trend. So super trend is added on the hourly. Now let us go to the daily. Let us add super trend. Super trend I have added on the daily. And now on the weekly also let us add the super trend. Let me go to the indicators, type super. So super trend is added on all the 4 charts. So you can see all the 4 charts are having super trend indicator. Let us go to the end of all the 4 charts. So weekly time frame chart is on the buy mode, the daily time frame chart is on the buy mode, the hourly time frame chart is on the buy mode, and the 15 minutes time frame chart is on the buy mode. So now you can see all the buy signals are making money. The 15 minutes chart, you have got a buy signal on 12th August at 9:15, and the same buy signal, it was around 16,300 level, and now it is 16,568. So 270 points rally has been made from a single 15 minutes time frame signal. So this is the power of multiple time frame analysis. You can see the weekly time frame chart is up, the daily time frame chart is up, the hourly time frame chart is up, and so the 15 minutes time frame chart is up, my dear friends. You cannot fight with the primary trend. You need to go with the primary trend. So whenever you are getting a buy signal, just you need to enter all the buy signals and you need to ignore all the sell signals. So this is multiple time frame price action analysis, and you can make good money if you can follow these multiple time frame price action analysis. If you fight with the trend, you will ultimately lose money. So for a long time, from July, you can see from July 20, the weekly time frame chart is on the upside, and even the daily time frame chart is up from 21st May 21. The hourly time frame chart has once again came on the upside, that was on 13th August, and on 12th August you can see the 15 minute time frame chart has actually turned to positive. So all the time frame charts are actually showing a buy signal. So this market is very strong. You need to only buy this market. You need never try to short sell this market. So this is how you can do a multiple time frame price action analysis on the stock market, and you can spot the stock market trend using these multiple time frame price action analysis. So guys, I have completed today's topic, and if you have any questions, if you have not understood anything, just shoot me a comment below this video and I'll try to answer your queries. And if you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon, because I do come up with this kind of videos at least once or twice a week. And if you are subscribed to me, if you are subscribed to my notifications, you will get all my next video updates instantly. So guys, if you have liked this video, do not forget to share it with your friends and relatives also. So friends, Do not forget to comment, do not forget to ask your queries, and till I come with a new video, you need to wait for me. Till then, bye bye.